It's not what you think. Hey, what's up everyone? And it's me, Macy K. I'm going to be eating the candy that I hate. And so I bought a whole bunch of candy. So let's get started. Okay, so the first on my list is Swedish Fish. I've always hated Swedish Fish. Do I like it? I don't know. These are actually not bad. From a scale of 1 to 10, I rate it like a 7 or an 8. Are Twizzlers. Always hated licorice. I don't like it at all. Scale of 1 to 10, like a 1, because it's strawberry flavored. But these taste like plastic. Spice Drops. That's fucking great. Oh my god, 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 oh my... Guys, it smells like ass. Ew. What the fuck? Okay, no. Fuck that. Rating it from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a -10. So the next one is Reese's. I do not like peanut butter. See, these are not as bad. I just don't like peanut butter. I'm going to say 7. Good thing I have donuts here. 100 grand. Ew, I'm getting goosebumps from this because it looks like acne. Okay, I'm just gonna... It's not bad. Caramel. Butterfingers. And then there's like that saltiness at the end. Ugh! I hate salted caramel. Anything. Out of all the candy that I just tried and ate and devoured, probably the best one is a Swedish Fish. I'm gonna start eating these because these are super good actually. And then the second best are the Reese's, and other than that, I still fucking hate everything. My dentist is gonna hate me next week. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment the types of candy that you hate down below. Subscribe, because if you haven't, you are missing out these videos. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye.